Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Meron po tayong good news. Ito po ay tungkol sa PBB. Meron pa bang PBB na ibibigay? Performance-based bonus ngayong 2026. Siguro pwede itong tawaging PBB 2024 kung meron. Ito, ako ay gumawa ng pananaliksik or nag-research, Tiningnan ko po yung General Appropriation Act of 2026. So, tingnan po natin. Source po natin ay ang Official Gazette, sa Miscellaneous Personnel Benefits Fund or MPBF. So, ito po ay para sa meron po itong budget na 77 billion 47 million 627,000 pesos po. So ano ba ang laman ng MPBF na ito, So medyo maliliit yung mga letra, Try ko pong basahin. So kung nakalagay dito na special provisions nito ay payment of personnel benefits. The amount of 77 billion 847 million 627,000 pesos po ba yan, Appropriated herein for the payment of personnel benefits shall be used for the following. Number 1, deficiencies and authorized salaries, bonuses, allowances, associated premiums, and other similar personnel benefits of national government personnel, including personnel services, requirements for filling of and creation of positions, compensation adjustments as may be authorized by law, the President of the Philippines or the DBM, and for career executive service officers, CESOs placed under the Government Executive Resource Pool or GERP program of the CESB. And number 2 is the grant of medical allowance of subsidy to qualified employees in the national government pursuant to Section 65 of the General Provision of this Act, and the availment of Health Maintenance Organization or HMO type benefits. Implementation of this program shall be subject to the guidelines to be issued by the DBM in coordination with the agencies concerned. Release of funds shall be subject to the determination by the DBM that the personnel services requirements cannot be accommodated within the agency's personnel services. So kung walang pera sa agency, yan po yung gagamitin ng DBM, Personnel services appropriations as authorized under Section 60 of the General Provision of this Act. Number 2, Legal Defense Fund. So para din ito sa mga Legal Defense Fund, itong MPBF. So, yung topic ko lang naman ay tungkol sa mga benefits ng mga government employees at saka ng tungkol sa PBB. Well, tingnan po natin. So, yung talagang paggagamitan, tingnan natin. Ito, yung new appropriations by purpose. Una ay yung performance-based bonus. Wow! Talagang inilagay na performance-based bonus. Meron po siyang budget na 27 billion 201 million 769,000 pesos. Tapos meron ding funding requirements for the filling up of unfilled positions, sa mga bakante pang posisyon ay merong mahigit 12.5 billion pesos naman na budget Para naman sa Legal Defense Fund ay merong 200 million pesos. At for payment of other personnel benefits, siguro dito ay para ito sa mga retirement ng mga ating mga kasundaluhan, ano? Yun ang pinoproblema nila. Pero meron po ditong budget. 8.8 ba yan or 9.9 billion pesos. So yan, tingnan pa natin yung iba pang detalye. So ito General Appropriations Act for FY 2026. So itong ating meron itong 77 billion mahigit para sa MPBF. Again, nakalagay dito na ang tingnan natin yung PBB na saan na ba yun. Okay, so ito dito para sa performance-based bonus ay 27. Ito ay in 1,000 so yan ay mahigit 27 billion pesos. So tapos yung para sa mga compensation for specific groups. So para sa civilian, ito yung mga lump sum for filling a position sa civilian ay 12.5 billion naman. Para sa personnel services, pag sinabing personnel services, PEs, yan po ay pang sweldo, ay merong 28 billion pesos mahigit. At saka sa personnel benefits ay 17 billion pesos mahigit. Meron din para sa MOOE or yung professional services ay 200 million pesos. Siguro para ito sa, yes, ito para sa legal, kanina. Then, so, yan. Sa current operating expenditures, meron din. Bali, lahat-lahat po, ito ay merong 77 mahigit na 77 billion mahigit, para sa PBB at saka iba pang benefits. Kasama po dito yung ating medical or HMO allowance. Nako. So sure pala na mayroon ding PBB kaya asahan po natin. Sana isama dyan yung PEI. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Tapos din yung research ko. Meron talagang PBB at possible ang PEI. Bye-bye. Hanggang dito na lang.